Hi, this is me. 5 years from now, I'm running as fast as I can from a disaster that struck my village. My teacher says it's climate change. She says more disasters are coming our way. I don't know if she's right. I only know I have to be safe. But wait a second. Weren't we fixing this? Aren't we putting up solar parks, wind farms, and batteries all over the globe? Aren't we shutting down all fossil fuel and nuclear plants? That will fix it, right?
Well, it's a little more complex. Let me explain. You see, wind and sun are too unpredictable, and we're not consuming enough of their power when it's produced. It's a catastrophic mismatch on a global scale, which could lead the grid to instability. Luckily, there is a solution. It's called a virtual power plant. And at Restore, they're building lots of them. We're already producing enough power. We just need to distribute it in the right way. Restore can curtail or enhance industrial processes or electrical household devices, unlocking the requested power for the grid. Within Restore's virtual plants, flexible power is pooled in real time and activated when the grid needs it. It all happens automatically and securely using unique algorithms. In just seconds, Restore can tap into thousands of megawatts without burning any gas or coal. Thanks to Restore's smart technology, taking part is completely risk-free too. Companies and households can generate significant revenues and lower their electricity bill, avoid high energy prices, and reduce grid charges with Restore's flexibility. Appliance manufacturers can even embed our technology into products, helping power consumers transform their devices into flexible, revenue-generating resources. Power utilities can also take advantage of this energy transition. Restore's technology can be used to build virtual power plants and deliver differentiating propositions to power consumers. So you see,
We all have to get on board now, because this isn't some silly dream of the future. Restore is changing my future, and maybe if we all take part, in 5 years, I will no longer be running away from disaster, but instead heading towards a happier future.